ButterBeanz here. So today I'm going to be making do-it-yourself blue goo. Do-it-yourself blue goo. So I got tell you, this is Amy. 1 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of water, blue food coloring, and of course you know a bowl. So let's get started. So first I put this cornstarch and now I'm gonna put the water. Whoa. Okay. And last but not least, I'm gonna put a few food coloring, blue food coloring drops. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with my hands, they say. Whoa, it's turning blue. This is what happens when we mix baby powder and water together with some milk. It turns like this, and it kind of sticks to your hands. And did you know that baby powder is made out of cornstarch? And what's cornstarch made of? Corn! Whoa. So, this, if you hit hard, your hands doesn't sink. But if we go slowly, it does. And then, whoa. It works. This is also a kind of trick that I like to do. See how it kind of goes off? That's awesome. Hey, I think I turned the flavor. Thank you all for watching. Bye. Oh no, I'm stuck. In my mouth.